Hi guys, you're welcome back to Naija News and Entertainment. Happening today, fresh drama for singer Peruzzi as female artist Daffy Blanco accuse him of molestation and fraud. An upcoming singer, Daffy Blanco, has come out with fresh allegations against Nigerian singer Peruzzi. The female artist claimed the singer tried to have his way with her and also refused to render songwriting services he was paid for. Blanco requested Peruzzi to deliver the songs she paid him for or pay up the sum of 15 million naira. Shortly after, Peruzzi took to Twitter with a series of posts. Nigerian singer and Davido worldwide music artist Peruzzi Vibes is once again trending on social media following some fresh allegations labeled against him by a female singer. The young lady released a series of posts on her Instagram page that detailed what transpired between her and the music star. According to Blanco, she had contracted Peruzzi for a songwriting gig after a colleague referred him to her and assured of his ability to deliver hit songs. Blanco claimed that she paid the artist an upfront payment of 10 million naira for his songwriting services. However, in an unexpected turn of events, Blanco in her narration stated that Peruzzi tried to have his way with her against her will. In her words, she said, "I regret allowing reception to let you up. I regret returning with you back to the studio thinking you want to work in the meantime. You had no other intentions." A message read. The songstress noted that she is only speaking out now because she has taken time to heal from the harrowing experience. She accused Peruzzi of hurting her emotionally and physically and even leaving a scar on her thigh. She said, "You took advantage of me because there is no law in your country, especially for women. I remember how you locked the door and did not want me to leave. It's a shame that there is no 911 in Nigeria, no fucking police. I was the one who was hurt, but then you were the one crying and begging me not to call my lawyers until you even fell asleep on my stomach, not wanting to let me go so I don't leave. I have the video." In the last slide of her narration, Blanco made it clear that she has forgiven Peruzzi. She, however, demanded the song she paid for or a refund of 15 million naira. As at the time of compiling this report, Blanco's Instagram account has been made private. Screenshots from Peruzzi's Twitter account read, "So basically, Peruzzi is being dragged for alleged rape and scam." Shortly after, Peruzzi took to his page on Twitter with a series of posts that may have been an indirect reaction to the fresh allegation. He said, "Dem don come again oo. Court no dey favour you abi? Money makes the world go round." Just recently, Naija News and Entertainment reported that Nigerian talent manager King Patrick claimed that his former artist Peruzzi used to sleep with Davido's fiancée, Chioma. According to Patrick, Chioma was Peruzzi's side chick who was pimped to Davido with claims that they were cousins. Although either party did not react to the allegations, Nigeria on social media shared their opinion on the matter. Guys, what's your opinion on this matter? I think recently Peruzzi has been having a lot of challenges, a lot of allegations leveled against him. It's not easy, but guys, what do you think about it? And what do you think about the allegation of Peruzzi and Chioma being lovers and not cousins? Let me know what you think, guys, in the comment section. Stay blessed until next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more updates.